What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And if you were wondering about the all new Xiaomi's Redmi Note 11 series smartphone, whether they will be launching in India or not, then indeed they will be launching in India, but there will be some minor tweaks in these smartphones. Now the Redmi Note 11 Pro and the Note 11 Pro Plus tend to have some changes, and let's find out in this video. So if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So what we know that the major difference between the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 11 Pro and the Note 11 Pro Plus is just for the faster charging speeds, which is in the Pro you get to 67 watts of fast charging, whereas the Pro Plus you get to 120 watts of fast charging, and it will charge your phone in just 15 minutes from 0 to 100. Also, the battery capacity on the Pro is higher at 5100 milliamp battery and 4500 on the Pro Plus. But what brings some major changes in this smartphone is about the naming, and they will not be launching as the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 11 Pro or the Pro Plus. Instead of that, they will be coming as the Note 11i and the 11i Hypercharge. Now that makes much of a more sense than the Pro Plus, because Pro Plus means that it's an extra step over that smartphone and it's much better than that. But it seems that it not might be the case with this phones, and it will be just having the same of the processor, which is the Mediatek Dimensity 920 108 megapixel triple camera setup, JBL tuned stereo speaker setup, and everything on both of these smartphones will be same except for the charging speeds and the battery capacity. Also, these phones are rumored to be launching by the end of this year or as early as January in 2022. So what do you think about these smartphones? Will you be waiting for these smartphones, or will you be switching towards the pre-existing Redmi Note 10 series smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.